If you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in Valorant are configured correctly. Go to the Settings menu, navigate to the Audio tab, and make sure that the voice chat input and output devices are set to the correct microphone and speakers. Step 2. Verify Windows sound settings. Open your Windows sound settings and check that your microphone is enabled and set as the default recording device. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar, select Sounds, and then go to the Recording tab to make adjustments. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause voice chat issues. Visit the manufacturer's website for your audio device or use Windows Update to find and install the latest drivers. Step 4. Check in-game key bindings. Make sure that the key bindings for voice chat are set correctly. In the Valorant settings, navigate to the key bindings section and confirm that the push-to-talk key is assigned and not conflicting with other commands. Step 5. Restart Valorant in your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve many issues. Close Valorant completely, restart your computer, and then launch the game again to see if the voice chat is now functioning. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the voice chat issues in Valorant. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.